this video I am going to show you how to make winter preset in Lightroom mobile application. Go to the light and exposure -0.11. Contrast -6, highlights -55, shadow +53, blacks -19, white +48. To the curve. Keep watching curve setting, it's very important for editing. Instagram.com/editing1. I suggest you to practice with me. It's very tricky. I think you should take screenshots and practice it. To the colors, temperature +4, tint +8, vibrance +20, saturation -11. Go to the colors max, red color hue to 3. Luminance +4, orange color hue +2 and saturation +6. Luminance +10, yellow color hue -27. Saturation -100. Luminance +2. Green color hue -93. Saturation -52. Luminance +28. Sky color hue +33. Saturation -30. Luminance 37. Color hue -14. Saturation -30. Luminance -16. Purple color saturation -89. Luminance -32. End color saturation -59. Luminance -43. It's half done. Go to the split tone. 16. Balance 100. Balance 25. Go to the effects. Texture plus fill. Clarity negative 10. Vignette negative 10. Go the details. Sharpening 36. Masking 32. Nose reduction 18. Color nose reduction 25. Before, copy the setting and apply to other pictures.